Let me tell you the secret of how Sam went from broke to making $5,000 plus every single month. Sam was a hard worker. He lives in a small rented apartment with his friends, because he can't afford the rents alone. He had big dreams of earning more money, traveling around the world, buying expensive luxury cars, owning a house by the lake, and living a debt-free life. One day, Sam saw a website that ordinary people like him shared, secrets of how they went from flat broke to millions. At first, Sam thought to himself that this was too good to be true. But he gave it a try and went from broke to making over $5,000 plus monthly recurring income, so quickly that he was able to travel the world, buy his family and friends everything they wanted. If you want to know the secret Sam and many ordinary people, like you have used in making such a success, I will drop you the link. All you have to do is copy the same simple yet proven formula that changed Sam's life. Click on the Learn More button either on the top right of this screen or at the lower left to go over to the website and see for yourself. And yes, you will be able to quit your regular job, and the best part of this whole thing is that this formula is not some kind of complicated thing that will take a lot of brain work. It just works straight up for people who haven't even heard of it before. It works for all countries, especially for people in the USA, United Kingdom, New Zealand, Australia, Bangladesh, England, India, Pakistan, Nigeria, Canada, etc. It works for all devices, iPhones, Android devices, desktop devices, and any device that has access to the internet. It can be done by people of all genders including males and females, young and old. It works for people of all ages. Yes, I meant that all ages. Just click on the Learn More button as I said, and go see for yourself. What are you still waiting for? Just hit that Learn More button right now and join up now to start making over $5,000 plus monthly recurring income right after today. Just click it now. This will be the best decision of your life. Just click now to learn more.